2,400 homes have been marked as damaged and 54 are destroyed across 18 counties. Governor Sanders says recently approved assistance will go a long way towards helping Arkansans get back on their feet.
Federal government approved the major disaster declaration, which will allow us to have a significant increase in resources and offer additional assistance to communities around the state that have been impacted by the storms.
Meanwhile, Governor Sanders and other state officials were in Rogers over the weekend helping clean up debris alongside Samaritan's Purse. They're a humanitarian organization that responds to disasters in the U.S. and abroad. Volunteers spent the evening clearing debris from a home that was affected by the storms. Arkansas men's basketball coach Jon Calipari also pitched in to help. Chief Operations Officer Edward Graham says that Governor Sanders' mom has been a volunteer of the organization for years. The governor says people all over the state have been taking care of each other following last Sunday's storms.
I think one of the biggest things that we've seen, every single community we've been to, all across the state, we had 18 counties that were impacted by tornadoes in the last week, and every place we go, we see people taking care of one another. Whether it's their own home that's been destroyed, they're still out there helping the neighbors that live around them and in their community.
Graham says during their time in affected areas, crews will continue to tarp homes, cut debris, and remove trees from falling on homes. Well, church